What up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak the full and final 3.0 with the final jailbreak on all iDevices such as the iPhone 3G, the iPhone 1st generation, the iPod Touch 1st gen, and the iPod Touch 2nd gen. This works for all those devices, sadly not the one that was released yesterday, the iPhone 3GS. Dev team is still working on something for that, and that will be announced as soon as it comes out, and I'll also keep you guys updated. So this does not unlock the iPhone 3G. That will be unlocked with Ultra Snow later on. Hopefully Dev team will be able to manage to get that out really soon to us. So this does jailbreak every device, but only unlocks and jailbreaks the iPhone 1st gen. So as you guys can see, before we go on, I just want to show you guys that I have managed to jailbreak 3.0. There is messages, there is spotlight right there. You guys can see that. Now the city went all the way to the end, right there. There it is. So guys, make sure you are on the 3.0 firmware and make sure that your device is plugged in. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to do, I'm going to have the links all in the description to your right over there. So what you're going to need to do is download the Red Snow folder, either for Windows or Mac depending on what you're on. I am obviously on Windows right now, so I got the Windows one, and if you have Mac, then you guys can go ahead and download the Mac link. So it's going to come as a RAR zip folder. What you're going to need to do is make sure you have WinRAR. If you don't have that, I'll give you the link in the description to download WinRAR. So just double click that, and then you will get this. Just if you get that, just hit close, and you'll see Red Snow Win Red Snow Win underscore 0.71. Drag that onto your desktop. I have already managed to do that, and I'll just move this aside. So it'll give you this folder right here. So now what you're going to need to do is make sure you have your Red Snow folder and the correct IPSW file for your device. In this case, I have the iPhone 3G, so it does say iPhone 1,2 underscore 3.0, etc. So make sure you do have the correct firmware for your correct device. So now what you're going to need to do is double click this Red Snow folder, and now you will see this one right here that says redsnow.exe. So just double click that. Now we will close that folder, and now what it says right here is you should browse for your firmware. So the IPSW firmware you have downloaded, the one you should have on your desktop, and browse for that. So just gonna hit browse right here, and I will go to my desktop, and you guys can see right there it says iPhone 1.2 3.0. There is my firmware. So I'm just gonna double click that, and then it will just say processing firmware, and then once that is done, it will give you the ability to push the next button right here. There it is. You guys can see the next button is now black, not gray. So you can click that. Now I'll say preparing jailbreak, etc., and all that, all the loading thing, and then you'll see please select which options you would like to have. And then obviously on the 3G, it only gives me the option to install Cydia. So just make sure that's check marked, and then we're gonna hit next. Now it's gonna say make sure your device is both plugged in and turned off. Alright guys, so make sure at this step that your device is plugged in. If not, plug it in now. So once you have it plugged in, hold the power button on the top right until you see this slide to power off, then just power it off. Wait for that to finish doing its thing. Alright, so my device is turning off. Just wait for that. It might take a good minute or two. Depends. And alright guys, so do not worry about everything. If you've gotten free with 3.0, you downloaded all your apps and all your contacts and everything, don't worry, this will not delete anything at all, okay? So you will have everything still there. All it's going to do is add Cydia. So once you have your device turned off and plugged in also, it's going to give you the option to hit next. Just hit next, and now get ready. We're going to be doing something like we do in QuickPwn. But first what we're going to do is hold the power button on the top right for 2 seconds. And then without releasing the power button, we're going to hold both for another 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, we will let go of the power and keep holding the home for 30 seconds. Alright guys, so just power, 1, 2, then keep holding power, then home button for 10, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to let go of the power, keep holding home for 30 seconds. Alright guys, so now we're just going to hit next. Now it says hold down power button for 2 seconds, 2, 1. Now both together, 10 seconds. It is going to be doing the thing on the screen with the highlights, and it will count down for you, so you guys don't worry. 2, 1, 0. Now let go of the power button, keep holding the home button for 30 seconds. It is going to be doing the countdown on the screen. So don't worry guys, it does have all your instructions, and if you do mess up, it does give you the option to hit back, and then you can click next and start over again with the process. So now once you keep holding home button, it'll do the white screen, and then There you go. Then it says downloading jailbreak data, like you will be jailbreaking any other iPhone or any other device with QuickPwn. So now once you see the downloading jailbreak data, you can let go of the home button and just hold your device and wait for it to do its thing. So you guys can see the computer screen over there is doing the loading bars and all of that, and my device is still plugged in. And then you will see the little circle thing down there. So once that is done, you will see the running pineapple, just like on QuickPwn. Alright guys, so once again, let me just clarify this up. It does work for every device that you guys probably own, except the one that just came out recently, yesterday, which is the iPhone 3GS. It works for everything, the iPhone 3G, as you guys can see I'm doing right here, the iPhone 1st Gen, which is also unlocks and jailbreaks, the iPod Touch 2nd generation, and the iPod Touch 1st generation. So it jailbreaks every device, and jailbreaks and unlocks the iPhone 1st generation. So alright guys, so I will get back to you once this is all the way to the end, and it is finished. Alright, so you guys can see I am almost done. It is at the end, and now it's going to say rebooting, and your device will reboot as it says. There it is, the Apple button, the Apple logo, sorry. And on the screen, what you guys will just be seeing right now is, please wait while your device is being jailbroken, and it says done and finished. It's going to be saying that until the whole process, until it is done. And all you're going to need to do is hit finish on that. But just don't worry about that, guys. Wait for this Apple boot logo to finish up. I'll get back to you guys once that is done. Alright guys, so you guys can see my phone did vibrate, and it is my computer is recognizing it. I heard all the chimes, and it did say this little Apple iPhone thing on my screen. And there it is, guys. Look at that. Got my battery. I'm back on my lock screen. Slide to unlock. All the way to the end. There is Cydia. Let's open it up, guys. It is Cydia, guys. You guys can tell. The first time you open it, it does always do that reorganizing. And then you just open it up. And there it is, guys. You will have a jailbroken device on 3.0. So thanks for watching. I hope I helped you guys out. I hope this all worked out perfectly. If you guys need any additional help, please feel free to PM me through YouTube. Email me on iPhonehelper76@gmail.com, or you guys can reply me on Twitter. I'll reply you on there for sure, or comment down below, and people will help you out. Don't worry, guys. We will have you set if it does not work for you, and everything will be cool. There it is. Cydia just got finished doing the reorganizing thing, so I will just slide to unlock. I just want to show you guys Cydia. It will go on your last page, guys. There it is. It says who are you. I'm just gonna put user. There it is, guys. Cydia on a 3.0 device. You guys can tell this is Cydia, obviously. I'm just gonna hit home, and there it is, guys. Messages, Spotlight 3.0. So thanks for watching, and once again I hope I helped, and peace.